right to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all.
Cha-cha now, y'all.
Turn it out. To the left. All right, kids, let's take it back now, y'all. 3 hops this time. Right foot down. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha now. Turn it out. Be looking out for part 3. It's gonna be coming to you soon. But right now, we're gonna keep this groove. Here we go. To the right, y'all. To the left.
We're going.
Take it back now, y'all. 4 hops this time. Right foot down. Left foot down. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha again.
Okay, cut it.
Turn it out.
All right, can I have all the children leave or the grown folks to stay? Because we got a dance contest for you. I'm taking the best 4. I'm taking the best 4 dances. Don't get mad at me if I don't pick you. You just ain't better than them. And you can win the next time, okay? Now I just need to go. Now you can dance with a partner. It might work. Both of y'all can come off and win. But if you dance by yourself, you're by yourself. Can somebody get this special cute little girl? Are you in the contest, sir? You ready? You ready? Okay.
That's only for them.
Now, if I know Danny Mix right, Danny Mix gonna take it back old school hip hop, so y'all better get ready. You ready? Danny Mix! Dance contest begins now! Woo!
2 years ago, a friend of mine
asked me to dance
some MC rhyme, so I said this rhyme I'm about to say. The rhyme was there, but then it went this
old school dances work. You can win with an old school dance.
And Orange became amazed at me, so Larry put me inside. Stack to lap, the shit was all off, and we never came back. Didn't shut the record down.
Downtown Paterson.
I see the animation. I see the animation.
That's the life that I lead, and you suck at MC. I need to take it back, move back, check your heart attack, because there's nothing in the world that wanna level up. A party in the b-boy stand, and rock on the man, make the girls wanna dance, fly like a dove, and go to the world. I'm not here.
That's real old school. That's like after the lights go out, old school. Oh, I see one winner. They keep dancing.
So if you see the music, leave us to the side.
Let me hear you. First come, first serve bases.
One of a kind, for your people's delight, and for your sucker MC.
I see 2 winners. We got 2 winners so far.
You walk around town like a hula with a knife. You're hanging on the ass, chilling with the crew, and everybody's what you've been through. I'm with the 1, 2, 3, 3 to 2, 1. My man Larry Laugh, my name's DJ Run. We do it in the place with the highs and the bass. I'm rocking to the rhythm, one to watch it on the face. We go all the time.
I got 1 winner. I got 2 winners.
You fly down a boy.
Come in the front. Come in the front. Come in the front.
You the MC in the back.
Okay. Coming from the wall. Right here. Come in. In the place to be. I went to St. John's University. Come on. I got 3 winners. I need 1 more. Come on, keep it going.
Dedicated to the radio, now ESG. Put this time for them to get recognized. This is my version of the Nobel Peace Prize. That's why I'm coming out my face like this. Try negativity, you never get this. If it wasn't for you, nobody would know. That's why this is some
Old school dance. Come on, give me the old school dance. Okay. I'll see you.
Empty talking, it's crazy that from the Walkman. The other just on the go. Oh, we got. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need one more. Come on. Come on. You got wild side. Somebody got to do something. Come on. Here we go. Let's see. Come on, bust it out.
I ain't never joke. I used to let the mic flow. Now I slam it when I'm gonna make sure. When I'm on the song, cause I won't let nobody press up and mess up the scene I said. I like to stare in the crowd. If I sit and wonder, damn, think about it, then you understand. I'm just an addict, addicted to music, glorious and habit.
Alright,
If the jazz or the quiet storm, I won't compare holding in the hip-hop. I'm a comedian, everything singing, concentration, cause I'm no comedian. It's a wild, if you won't contain. I treat you like a child and you're fucking me. Another enemy, not even a friend of me. Cause you're the pride and the end, you're pretending to fuck me. Cause I just put your mind on pause and I compare with. You compare my mind with yours. I wake you up and I just stare in your face. You still remember me. When you got your idea, you start to suffer. You get rougher when you start to stutter. It's a new like nothing. And it'll make you choke. If I vote, you get it cool. You should have broke because I ain't no joke.
Alright, let's have a hand for all our dancers. Stay right here. I got 3 young ladies that need to come right here. The 3 young ladies I picked. And of course, the only brother who was holding it down. Give it up. Ladies. Rosetta, let's have a hand for Rosetta. Let's have a hand for Camille. Thank you. Let's have a hand for Luz over here. Let's have a hand for Terrence holding it down. Alright, I'll be giving some more out later. Just hang around. We're gonna make it happen. I promise you. You guys did a good job. No, I ain't forget you. You know, I got you. I ain't forget you. You're gonna be with me all day. You my baby. I got you. Now, we had a great time dancing. Now it's time to get something to drink. They got pina coladas down there. Yo, Jenny, where's my pina colada? I love you, girl. And we also have fresh lemonade over there. Go get that lemonade. If you're hungry, we got food over here. And we got food down there. They got Philly cheesesteaks. They got French fries, everything right over here. You don't gotta walk far. And the drinks are right there. Get your drinks because we have a nice band coming up to play before the fireworks. Make sure it's getting crowded out here now. But you know, fireworks time, it's gonna be packed. So make sure you get your spot. Make sure you get your chair. Get a good. No seat is bad. Any seat is good. You'll be great. Danny Mix is gonna throw something on in a few minutes. He's hooking up the band and stuff right now. Church boy, you the best. Church boy, what is it? July 19th? What is yours? July 19th. My man Church boy got it going on. Go check him out. He got flyers. Make sure you see the flyers on the table. We got the menus coming on the VIP reception. $15 gets you dancing, popcorn, soda, cupcakes, and some prizes for $15. And the movie. So you get all that. But you gotta get your ticket from the box office beforehand. And it's at 6 o'clock sharp. Movie comes on at 7:10, so you got about an hour with the VIP.
Downtown Paterson, y'all. This is Paterson NJ Good News. 4th of July, 2015.
Thursday night.
Paterson NJ Good
Every
News.
Thursday night, up on the rooftop, doors open at 6. We have live music up on the top. And it's only $10 up on the top of the roof. Get your tickets from the Fabian box office once again. That's where you get all your tickets from. It's like Ticketmaster, Ticketron, for